welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to talk to you about these cool Apple Watch chargers by a company called Yuzicai. I think I'm saying that right. So what's so cool about an Apple Watch charger, you say? Well, these are awesome chargers. Couple of reasons. One of the main reasons, this cord. These have 6.5 feet cord length attached to them. Now they don't come with the chargers themselves. They're just the Apple Watch charger, the charging cord with the Type-C on the end. You need your own Type-C plug to plug them into. But you know, a lot of times the problem is that you have a place you want to charge your watch and there's not a plug nearby. So you have a charger, but the cord's not long enough to get to where there is a plug all the way to where you want your Apple Watch charger to be. But with these, no problem. 6.5 feet in length, so you can get your charger where you want it to be. And these are excellent chargers. These are magnetic chargers. They work with the entire series of iPhones, so they'll charge any iPhones. I have the most recent iPhone, and they charge it great. What's cool about these as well is they include this little suction cup, just one suction cup that you can use on one of them because the backs are very smooth, so the suction cup sticks on there, and then you can use that to either help secure it to a flat surface like a glass desktop or countertops, or if you want to be creative like me, you could use it to attach it to a mirror because the charger itself is magnetic. It'll hold your watch against the mirror. I'm not saying that's the intended purpose. That's just something that I thought was cool to use it for, because you go in the bathroom in the mornings when you get up and you take off your watch to shower and get ready, and you can just throw it on the charger. It's getting charged. You can see the time. It's kind of cool. But you can use that suction cup also on like a windowsill with a granite countertop, as you see, or on a desk, something like that, just to help secure it in place. So that's cool that they include that as a little bonus. But the chargers themselves work really great to charge any Apple Watch that you have, and the fact that they have that 6.5 foot long cord so that you can get these to where you need them to be. Anywhere you want to put a charger, you can get it there. You've got 6.5 feet of cord to work with in order to do that. These are excellent product. They charge the Apple Watch like you would expect them to. They are magnetic, so it clicks right in there just like you want it to, and yeah, it just works really, really great. The suction cup is just an added bonus. Anyway, really excellent product. If you're looking for a charger for your Apple Watch or just an extra charger to have, this is great. Yeah, you could also use that suction cup in your car. If you ever charge your Apple Watch in your car, you could use this in there. That suction cup, that could be a good use as well. Anyway, yeah, really excellent product. Definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.